Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is about the gallery wall, and I've just finished my all my paintings few days back, and I wanted to show you guys. So this is the first one. So I'm using canvas paper here, and I've used acrylic and watercolor both. So let's see how it came out. This is the easiest ones I chose for myself. I am no painter. This was the first time I used canvas. Here I've stuck sellotape on the lines that we made, so that's why I'm just painting it roughly. And we are done. So for the next painting, I'm again using canvas paper and acrylic colors and watercolor. So guys, for the first one, I actually didn't use sellotape to stick it to the background. It was kind of moving all the time while I was painting. So guys, this is also very simple painting but so cute. We are just going to put strokes of paint. So this mustard color is a watercolor, and as you can see, it takes time for watercolor to absorb in the canvas. Yeah, I got to know it later. But I still love the color, so I used it. And for the last one, I'm using brown color. That's it. we are done. For the third and the last painting for this video, I'm not using canvas here, I'm using normal drawing sheet, and you'll get to know why. So to make this peach color, I used red, orange and white. Okay, just strokes of paints, that's it. And then you just let it dry. Yay! So guys, these are the 3 paintings that I covered in this video, but I've made 6 paintings in total for my gallery wall, and the next 3 I'll be covering in my next video. So please don't forget to watch that part. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.